Hi children, welcome to the session. Today we are going to see 7th standard maths. I am your maths teacher Aruna. So from our school Bhadasram Metric Higher Secondary School Arakonam. So the second chapter is fraction children. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole which have numerator as well as denominator. Yes, in this fraction we are going to learn about division of fractions, how to divide two fractions. We know how to divide two whole numbers, right? But in division of fractions we are going to learn children. See, when two fraction is given, a by b and c by d are two fractions and we are going to divide this two fractions, okay? See, the first number will be same children here, a by b. And this divide symbol will be replaced with multiplication. See, the divide symbol is replaced instead of divide is multiplication, and this c by d is replaced as reciprocal. See, already we have learned what is reciprocal. Reciprocal is otherwise called as the multiplicative inverse. So, the multiplicative inverse of c by d is nothing but d by c. Is it clear children? If you understand this concept, it will be very easy for us to solve two fractions of divisions, okay? See, again I will tell you the first number, that is the fraction will be same a by b, the divide symbol will be replaced with multiplication, and the second fraction which is c by d will be written as the multiplicative inverse, that is d by c. Now, the product of two fractions, we know how to find the product of two fractions, right? Numerator with numerator will multiply, that is a into d, by denominators or b into c. Then by solving this we will get the answer for division of fractions, okay. So, the next is when the whole number and a fraction is given in division, how to solve this? See, whole number is nothing but a divided by b by c. A is a whole number and b by c is a fraction. See, this first number already I told you it will be same, a. Divide will be replaced as multiplication and b by c will be written in the form of the multiplicative inverse, that is reciprocal is c by b. After changing this we can solve the answer. See, when a fraction is divided by a whole number, the fraction will be same a by b and divide symbol will be replaced as multiplication, and this c na the whole number which we can consider as c by 1. So, c by 1 how we can write? C by 1 we can write as the reciprocal as 1 by c. Is it clear? Now, we have written this fraction divided by a whole number as a fraction into fraction, then we can solve this. See, two fractions is given in division. This already we have seen a by b will be same, divide will be replaced with multiplication and the next second number will be replaced as the reciprocal, that is c by d will be t by c, okay. So, using this type of questions only we are going to solve in the exercise problems. When we are clear with this division of fractions, it will be easy for us to solve the problems to children. Is it clear for you? Yes, we will use this in the problems how to solve now. See, the first sum is 6 divided by 9 by 5. 6 is a whole number divided by 9 by 5 is a fraction, right? So, this whole number I can consider as 6 by 1, the first number which is going to be same, and divide how it will change? It will replace as multiplication. Then the second number we need to write in the reciprocal, that is 9 by 5 will be written in the form of 5 by 9. Now, the question which is given in the division we have converted as multiplication. Now, we can solve and we can simplify this. Numerator and denominator number both we can cancel in 3 table. So, how many 3's are in this 6? 3 2's are 6. So, 2. The same table only we need to use for the denominator also. So, we are going to use again 3 table. How many 3's are there in 9? 3 3's are 9. So, 3. Now the remaining in the numerator is 2 into 5 by 1 into 3. Now we can multiply this. 2 5s are 10 by 1 3s are 3. So 10 by 3 is the answer. Is it clear? So whenever the answer is an improper fraction is nothing but numerator is greater than the denominator. We can write this improper as mixed fraction also. So first we need to divide this 10 in 3 table. 3 3s are 9 and remaining is 1. So quotient is 3 and remainder is 1. Okay. How to write this in the mixed fraction? See, we can write this 10 by 3 as whole number is quotient. Quotient is 3 and numerator part is remainder, which is 1 by the divisor is 3. So we can write this 10 by 3 as 3 1 by 3. Is it clear? Now the next problem is 5 by 8 divided by 3. See, 5 by 8 is a fraction and 3 is the whole number. So I can consider this 3 as what? 3 by 1. So the first fraction we are going to write same like 5 by 8. Divide symbol will be replaced with multiplication. Then the second fraction, the multiplicative inverse we need to write, that is 3 by 1 can be written in the form of 1 by 3, right. Now, is any other common factors with the numerator and denominator is there? See, 5 and 3 is there. We can't cancel using any number, right. So, we can multiply the numerator and denominators. So, multiply 5 ones are 5 by 8 threes are 24. So, the answer is 5 by 24. Is it clear? Okay, the next problem is, see, the next is 6 4 by 5 divided by 7 by 35. Okay, see, first convert this mixed fraction into improper. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4. 30 plus 4 is, yes, 34 by 5. See, this divide symbol will be replaced as multiplication and the 7 by 35 we need to write in the multiplicative inverse, that is 35 by 7. Okay. Now, we can cancel this 7 and 35 also in 7 table itself. 7 one time and 35 how many time? In 7 table. 7 5s are 35, right. Write the remaining now. Numerator is 34 into 5 by denominator is 5 into 1. Okay. Now, again there is a common number 5 and 5 which can be cancelled in 5 table, right children. So, 5 one time we can cancel here. Now, multiply the numerator. 34 into 1 is 34 by 1 ones are 1. How can we write this 34 by 1? Whenever the denominator is 1, we can write the numerator, because in one table you will get 34 times. So, 34 is the answer. Is it clear? Here 3 fractions which is given together and multiplication and division, 2 operations which is given there. First what we are going to do is, we are going to solve the number which is given in the bracket. Okay. Convert this mixed fraction into improper. So, 5, 4, 4 5s are, the product of this is 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 4 into 16 by 7. Just keep this as it is, divided by 2 by 3. Okay. And solve this 2 fractions which is in the product. Now, 16 and 4 is there na. So, you can cancel this 16 and 4 in 4 table. So, how many times you can cancel here? 1 time. And 16 how many times in 4? 4 4s are 16. Okay. And 21 and 7 have a common factor in 7 table, right. So, you can use 7 table here children. 7 how many times in 7? 1 time. And 21 how many times? 7 3s are, yes, 7 3s are 21. Multiply this 3 into 4. What is 3 fours are? 3 fours are 12 by 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. Okay. Now divided by 2 by 3. Now we got two fractions in division. Okay. The first number we need to keep same, which is 12 by 1. Divide symbol will be replaced as what? Multiplication. Then the second fraction, how we need to write? We need to write in the reciprocal. So 2 by 3, the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now we can cancel this 12 and 2 in 2 table. 2 ones are 2 and 12 how many times we can get? 2, 6 are 12, right? Remaining we can multiply now. 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18 by 1 ones are 1. So how we can write this 18 by 1? 18 by 1 we can write as 18. When the denominator is 1, we can write the numerator. Is it clear? Okay, the next example is, see here, 2 by 7 divided by 40 by 21 into 3 by 10 divided by 9 by 20. We need to solve this. First we will solve the numbers which is given in the bracket separately. See the first step, 2 by 7 will be same. Here division is there na. So division symbol will be replaced as multiplication, and 40 by 21 how we need to write? In the reciprocal. So 21 by 40. Okay. And the multiplication symbol will be same. The next term which is given here is, first number we will write 3 by 10, and again divide symbol will be replaced as multiplication. 9 by 20, the reciprocal of 9 by 20 is 20 by 9. Now everything we have changed in the product, right? We will solve this first. So how many times you can cancel this 2 and 40? In 2 table it is possible to cancel 1 time, and here 2 2s are 4 and this 0. Okay. Now remaining is 7 and 21. How many times you can solve this 7 and 21? 7 ones are, and in 7 3s are, we will get 21. Okay. Write the remainings now. 1 into 3 by 1 into 20 into. Now here 0 and 0 will get cancelled, right? And 3 and 9 we can cancel in which table? 3 table, right? So how many times we can cancel? 3 ones are, 3 3s are. Okay. Now write the remainings here. 1 into 2 by 1 into 3. Just multiply this. 1 3s are 3 by, what is 1 20s are? 20 into, here 1 2s are 2 by 1 3s are 3, right? So we have solved the given question to the simplest form, that is the product of two fractions. Now again we can cancel this 3 and 3 one time, right? And what about this 2 and 20? In 2 table we can cancel this, which is 2 ones are, and this 20 will be how many times? How many times in 2 table? 2 10s are. Very good children. So now multiply the numerator. 1 into 1. What is 1 ones are? 1 by 10 into 1, that is 10 ones are. 10 ones are 10. So the answer is 1 by 10. So is it clear for you? When division and multiplication together is given, how to solve, and the answer we got is 1 by 10. And the last problem is, what we are going to see is 8 2 by 5 divided by 7 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 25. First we will solve here two division symbols which is given. We will solve these two fractions and we will get the answer right. Then we will divide with the third fraction. See, first we are going to convert this both the mixed fractions into improper. What 5 8s are? 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2. 42 by 5 divided by, and 5 sevens are, what 5 sevens are? 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. So, 37 by 5. Write the third fractions as it is 6 by 25. Okay. Now, we know how to solve this two fractions in division. The first number need to be as it is, that is 42 by 5. Divide will be replaced as multiplication. What is 37 by 5? The reciprocal of 37 by 5 is 5 by 37 divided by 6 by 25 will be as it is. Okay. Now, is it possible to cancel 5 one time and again 5 one time I can cancel? Any other possibilities? 42 and 37? No. So, we will multiply the numerator, which is 42 ones are 42 by 1 into 37. What 137s are? 37 divided by 6 by 25. Now, the given question we have changed into the division of two fractions. Now, we can write the first number as it is, which is 42 by 37, and divide symbol will be replaced as multiplication. And the next one 6 by 25. How to write 6 by 25? The reciprocal of that number. So, 25 by 6. Now, solve this two. 42 and 6 have a common factor in 6 table, right? How many 6 are there in 6? 6 ones are 6. And how many 6 are there in 42? In 6 table, how many times you can get 42? 6 sevens are 42, right? Now, the remaining is 7 into 25 in the numerator, and denominator is 37 into 1. Is it possible to simplify again? No, because there is no common factor with numerator and denominator number, right? So, we can multiply directly 25 into 7. 7 5s are 35, 5 remaining is 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 15, 16, 17. So, 175. 175 by 37 ones are 37. Now, 175 divided by 37 is a improper fraction. We need to convert this into mixed fraction. How to convert, children? 175 we need to divide in 37 table. So, we don't know 37 table, right? So, first we need to write 37 table. How many times we are going to get? See, the number ends by 5. So, we will try with 5 table, because the number, the multiples of 5 will end by 0 or 5 na. So, we will try by 5. 37 into 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 remaining 3, and 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 16, 17, 18. So, the answer is 185, but we need 175. 185 is greater than this 175 na. So, the previous number, that is before 5 we can take 4, right? We will try with 4. 37 4s are. So, what is 37 into 4? 4 sevens are 28. 8 remaining 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So, 148. So, 4 times we will take 148. Now, subtract this 175 minus 148. See, 15, if we consider here, 15 minus 8 is 7, 6 minus 4 is 2. So, 27 is the remainder and 4 is the quotient. So, to write this in mixed fraction, the whole number place we are going to write the quotient, which is 4. And the numerator is remainder 27 by the divisor is 37. Is it clear how to convert this, and we need to write the answer in mixed fraction to children. So, up to this the exercise which is in the division of fractions we have seen, and using this examples you can solve the remaining problems too. See, in this we have given the study material also for you. See, the study material in exercise 2.5 which we have seen is division of fractions. So, in this question as well as with the answer you have the study material in this. See, for all the problems you have the solutions also. Okay. See, using this you can practice, and without seeing the answer, if you want to practice you can take the question bank. See, in question bank you will have only the questions like this. So, using this questions you can solve first and then see the question study material, and you can check your answers too. After you are practicing this, you can use this self assessment question paper which is attached in the description box. See, in this self assessment related to the division of fractions, you will have few problems like this, and you can solve this and evaluate by yourself how much you have learnt in this session. Okay. And after you are completing the self assessment, take a photocopy and send to our WhatsApp number to children. Okay. Thank you, children.